Women's clothing on average sells for $12 an item. That's low. How do resellers actually make it? It doesn't matter if you're in women's clothing. The concepts that I am going to show you will work for any type of category that you sell. What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can make money even if all you can find is low-end items. If your items are not selling high, you can still make money. So let's jump right into it. How do you make money even if all you can find is low price items? It's gonna start with this equation. And before you stop and say, hey Sarah, math is really scary, I'm gonna break this down for you and show you exactly how to use this to make the money that you want to make. So this formula is essentially telling you how many items you have available, how many of those items are you selling. So how many items are you selling is your sell-through rate times your active listings. How many items have you sold for the month times how much are they selling for? That's how much money you made this month. That's it. That's all this formula is telling you, how much money you make. So if you want to increase one side, you simply change some variables on the other side, right? An equation sign means one side equals the other side. If you want to increase your gross revenue, you just work with those three variables, your sell-through rate, your active listings, and your average sale price. Okay, sell-through rate, how many items that you have sold out of how many items that you have for sale. The higher the percentage, the better. If you have 100 pairs of jeans and you've sold 100 pairs of jeans, you've sold 100% of them. This is the second thing that we're going to go over too, is the average sale price. On average, how much are these items selling for? These lower price items are going to have a lower average sale price, and that's completely fine, and I'm going to show you why. So hey Sarah, we're talking about selling low-end items. How am I actually going to do this? Okay, so now let's look at kind of a lower average sale price item. I did a survey recently, and I will kind of link some screenshots here on my Instagram. Some brands that sell for a lower average sale price but are going to sell. So if you are selling a lower average sale price item, you want to make sure that it has an higher sell-through rate. And I'm going to show you two ways that you can figure this out. All right, so you can see right here, I am looking at brand performance for my inventory, for things that I am selling, the brands that I have access to. How are these brands performing? And this is going to be different for everybody. This is the Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard. So this will be custom to your data. You want to look at, you can see right here is your sell-through rate is going to be right here. And then your average sale price is going to be down here. And then over here, you have your average days on hand. On average, how are these items selling for you? If you're going to be selling lower average sale price items, you want them in and out the door. You're going to have to continuously be selling things quickly to make money. So come over here and find a brand that you see often. Say, hey Sarah, I see Splendid all the time at the thrift stores. It's one of my lower days on hand. I come over here and I look at this chart and I say, hey, in the past year, 74% of my Splenda has sold. That is a killer sell-through rate. If you don't have access to this chart, you can come in and research in Terapeak. So they just release this free to anybody, but if you have a store subscription, you go to My Seller Hub, you go up here to research, Terapeak product research. And based off of that Instagram poll that I took, American Eagle jeans sell well. In talking to people in my own experience, I know high-rise jeans is one of the categories, one of the brands that is going to sell well. And I can come in here and say, hey, their sell-through rate, so on average in the past month, 27% of these jeans that have been listed have sold. That is killer. Like really, that is a killer sell-through rate for a women's brand. I was talking with Chris from A Daily Refinement. I will link our playlist up here. I was talking with Chris and he said most women's clothing, the average sale price is $12, and on average women's clothing is selling at a 5% sell-through rate. So 27% is going to be extremely high, higher than average, and then an average sale price of $19. All right, so let's go off of this American Eagle. Say you find American Eagle high-rise jeans all the time. Now, how do I make money doing this? Because they're not selling that high. you go back to your golden formula for resellers. You have your sell-through rate, your active listings, your average sale price, and your gross revenue. You want to increase your gross revenue, you work with these numbers that you have. So we looked at the eBay sell-through rate for American Eagle was 25% on an average sale price of $19. Let's say you want to make $10,000 a month or a year, whatever time period you want to look at. You want to make $10,000 selling this brand. You need to have 2,109, give or take, because you're $17 over, and 9 active listings. So you can make $10,000 selling this brand. You just have to know your numbers and figure out what you need to do. If you don't like doing the math, the Sarah Style Sales and Trends dashboard does have a simulator where it looks at your specific numbers and will show them to you. So say, Sarah, this is really cool, awesome. I hate doing math. I don't want to do any of that. In the Sarah Style Sales and Trends dashboard, you do have a simulator. You can come in here, you change this number to anything that you want. I want to make $9,000 a month. And then it tells you exactly how many items you need to sell, what your average sale price needs to be, and how many active items you need to get to hit that monetary goal that you want. And this is based off of your numbers. It's based off of the inventory that you have, your current sell-through rates, your current average sale prices. My average sale price tends to be around $30. So these scenarios that the simulator gives me is based off of things that are manageable and doable for me. Right? So if you're going to sell things that sell at a lower price, you need to have a higher sell-through rate. 25% sell-through rate is phenomenal. If you look at some of the really high luxury brands, their sell-through rates are going to be 5%. So it may sell for $100, but it's not selling as quickly, right? And so you can absolutely make money selling these lower end brands simply by looking at your numbers and figuring out what exactly you need to do. If you liked this video, make sure to, or YouTube thinks that you would also like this video, and you can watch a playlist here with more tips and tricks and reseller analytics, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.